Kinsman was tough. Whew. I'm 1 mile from the Elijah lean-tos, and the last mile has taken me close to an hour. It's been mostly borderline vertical rock scramble. The trail got a little smoother. I hope it stays like this for a little while. If it stays like this for a little while, I can pick up some time. I might even be able to make dinner before it gets dark. And I don't have to try making dinner by a headlamp. Hopefully there's not too many people at the lean-to. I don't want to set up my tent or set up in the dark. Crossing my fingers here a little bit. Kinsman, it seems to me like they just forgot to put the summit signs. Heading to South Kinsman, maybe I might find a summit sign. It's been a long time since I've seen a summit sign. But this is what I got to go with. And eventually over there, if you can see over there. About 4 miles or so to the hut. It's almost 4 o'clock. Only did about 10 miles today, but that's okay. Day 37. Getting ready to hike up the Kinsmans. Stopped up at Lonesome Lake Hut for some water. Got treated to a glass of lemonade, a bowl of couscous with sriracha, and met some of the guys I was hanging out with over at Zealand Hut over here. Turns out they were having a 4th of July party over at Zealand. So, sat around, hung out with them for a little bit, enjoyed some couscous, some lemonade, some water. Had a pretty good 0 yesterday. And by good, I didn't get rained on much. Put down 5,500 calories for dinner, large pizza, 3/4 of a small bottle of bourbon, a bag of chips, 3 beers, a ranch packet, 5,500 calories later. I felt like a fat ass. I was like, don't judge me, but I'm gonna eat all of it, all to my face. Killed it. Good times. Up the Kinsman we go. A lot of rocks. I find my knees generally always hurt after a 0 day. Like, ha ha ha, you rested me. Now we're gonna make you walk slow. Fuck your knees. Got a late start this morning. Had a few minor issues. So as you see, I'm wearing glasses today. This will be the second time you guys have seen me wear glasses. But I blinked out my left contact this morning, and I was like, my hands aren't clean enough to want to put contacts back in. The only issue I really have with these glasses is it kind of messes with my depth perception because I'm not used to wearing them while hiking. But met another YouTuber today. Goes by Backpacking Reviews. And today we are going through mud. Good old mud. Last night we slept at Elijah Brook. And tonight, I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking yet. To be determined where I'm thinking. I'm heading to Beaver Brook Shelter, 1.5 miles. summiting Moosilauke North, Moosilauke South in the morning. And it looks like we're just going to be going up and up and up. So much up. Okay.
Okay, so how are you a heavy cream cheese person or a light cream cheese person?
Doesn't matter. We are trading a sriracha tuna.
It's true.
For a blueberry bagel with cream cheese.
Indeed.
Because whatever is in the substance into here, couscous and corn,
lentils?
maybe carrots,
I think.
lentils,
It's very sad.
is very sad.
It truly is.
I am crossing the summits of Mount Moosilauke, or Moosilauke, and it is like walking through a wind tunnel. Good afternoon, day 40. I don't know what mile marker I'm at, but I'm, as one hiker said, about 3 days north of Killington, Vermont. I just heard that there is a cabin at the top of the fire tower, and I get to camp on top of a mountain with a cabin and a fire pit. So maybe there's some nice views of some sunrises in the morning. Maybe there'll be some nice views of some sunrises or sunsets this evening. So yesterday, I did something to my leg. Hyperextended it. Hurt like hell. I was a bit concerned. 800 milligrams of ibuprofen last night. 800 milligrams of ibuprofen this morning. 400 milligrams of ibuprofen at lunch. I can walk on it. Crossing a river. Nice little river. I just filled up a little bit ago, so don't need any more water yet. I was told I should be able to make it to the summit of the fire tower within 2 to 3 hours. That puts me there at about 5. Nice, easy, relaxing. I think I'm going to be in town today. Maybe tomorrow morning. Haven't decided yet. But I am very dangerously low on food. Ooh. Half a mile to the summit of whatever mountain I'm on. And then supposedly it's all downhill from there. On the AT and you have no water because the water source is dry, Ziploc bags and tin cans. It rained all night last night and the trail is literally a river. My shoes are soaked. And got about 7 miles to town. I'm trying to be there around 10 o'clock. Dry out my shoes, free pizza. Rumor has it, maybe free beer. And I'm right now doing this with no food and no water. My pack is as light as it's ever gonna be today. I'm at my base weight of 15 pounds because there ain't nothing else in my pack right now. Whew. The humidity's up. Huh. I'm still wearing my base layer. It's really the only thing that I have that's dry. I get cell phone reception, so I've been jamming out some music on the trail. It's a nice little mix between the audiobooks. Here. Hello. Not afraid? You're staring at me. I see you staring at me. What are you doing over there? You're friendly, dear? I guess I'm not that interesting. Neroing out of town today after I Neroed into town yesterday. Stopped in to take a shower, do some laundry. Really, that's about it. Back on the trail. So the trail is a road. And it's just uphill. It's a warm day out. So I've already broken a sweat. It's 9:30 in the morning. I don't know how far I'm going to be walking on this road. Hopefully not for too much longer. And I think somebody said I'm 3 days from Killington. Next town. We'll see. If there was a breeze, today would be a lot nicer. Because it's just warm. Nice area though. Beautiful area.